Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Uh, Gotta get something out of the oven real quick. I'll be right back, and we'll also get that poll going. 1 second. All right. Hey, we're back. We're back. Oh, sorry, y'all. A little bit late. A little bit late. Jeswin, top of the morning. XO Cole, good morning. Mom, good morning. Uh, Reflexiones. Raquel, good morning. Appreciate that. Kong, top of the morning. What's up? All right, let's get this poll in real quick. Is the stock market going to close red or green today? Red, green. Okay, I see we got the likes popping up too. That's what's up. All right, so we got the poll in. Big Red's top of the morning. All right, let's see what's going on. So, update to everyone wondering. I closed out of that SPY call this morning, like pretty much right at open, and then I took profit on the AMD call as well. It's still up. The AMD call is still up, but I took profit on it, like cut out on that. So, as of right now, I'm not in anything at the moment. Oh, you said update on, well, just updated you, so just, yeah. Oh, you said on yesterday's SPY call. I had a SPY put yesterday. I didn't grab a call, but if you got a call and want to update, yo, please update us. All right, Sarah, top of the morning. All right, let's see. Okay, so we got a good little pullback on Meta. I need to reframe and like see what's going on. All right, I'm gonna come down to a 15. We'll probably just focus on the SPY for now till I kind of like, I guess, get that figured out. Here, let's go to a 4-hour, see what it's looking like. All right, so we got a new range on the SPY. We pushed to a new high, so that is old news. We are now back to bullishness for now, or we are now in a bullish range. So as of right now, I'm only making moves on lower time frames based on the SPY. All right, so that's the range. Let's go to 15. On a 15, what is that? Is that blue or black? All right, so we got our range. Okay. Let's see how far we push up. We'll see what happens with this 9 minute. We might be able to get a day trade up, but we need to. It's going to take some time. We're going to have to let things set up before we really get to anything. Brandon, good morning. Hey, yeah, let's get this. Hey, let's get it. Lucky J, top of the morning. Hey, this is your friendly reminder that there is a like button there, and that it really helps support the channel when you take the time to smash it. There are 3 times as many people on the stream as there are likes. Hey, only thing I ask for. This is I come here and do this free every day. Waiting on bullish to open. Oh yeah, here, let me get a look. One moment, y'all. I gotta measure something real quick. Ricky Run, good morning. Did I say good morning, Brandon? Yoko, good morning. 1 second. Be right back. Never mind. Hold on. Let's see. All right, let's see. You said, yep, now you got both Brandons. Oh, shoot, 2 Brandons. We used to have a bunch of Matthews. Now we got a lot of Brandons. Okay. Well, it's just 2 Brandons. We had like 3 Matthews. Natasha, good morning. Yeah, we'll see how this SPY candle closes. Let me also see what's up with AMD. Let me go to a 4 hour, see how it's looking. Oh, honestly, it may not even be done yet. May not even be done yet. We'll see. Hold on, y'all. Actually, I'm not gonna eat these yet. Can we look at bullish yet? Let's see. Is this it? Okay. Yeah, we got it. We got it right there whenever it's ready. Sit down. I don't know where my little fan is. About Trump speaking. Oh, I have to be on the. Ooh. I'm gonna be on the lookout for headlines. April, good morning. You said it's a rainy day in the DFW? It's actually over here where I'm at. Have not seen any rain yet. But it definitely rained. Like, it rained pretty hard for a solid like 10 minutes yesterday. Let me. Oh, you said not about much? Okay. Yeah, when I was looking, it didn't really say he was saying much, but I do see we sold off kind of hard from open. Jojo, good morning. Yeah, we'll see how SPY closes on this little candle right here. Actually, let me get another overview of the SPY as well. Okay. Ain't rain good here. My cousin flew out of Love Field and it's been delayed. Oh, that's never fun. Actually, I had some fun delays once. Or had a fun delay once. Actually, I think it was like 2 days. I was at this, I was in Azores. It was like these Portuguese islands. And, they paid for meals and flights for like 2 days. And it was nice because I didn't have like a job to get back to. I was just like, it was like trading in YouTube. I need to get back to that. It was so nice. I feel exhausted. Let me see what's metal looking like. Very similar to the SPY, except for meta's crossed to the downside. Look, the put came back a little higher than where I sold out. I sold out the put for like 56 this morning, just to make sure I still have my money. I wanted to take a look at something real quick. Okay. Okay, we're still pushing up at the moment. All right, SPY trying to push up. I don't know how I feel about things right now. I think we're kind of caught up in the middle move. What EMA do I use? I use the 13. The 13 is going to be the blue. The 48 is going to be the orange. And I also use the 200. I just don't have it turned on at the moment. Oh, I see it's 50% green today. Okay. Oh. I had a snack. I got excited. And I realized my wife already made me something. But I'm still excited about the food she made. I was sad because I was like, oh yeah, let me go grab my snack. And I'm like, oh no, I got food right here in front of me. Buddha Dev, good morning. Okay, AMD trying to ease his way back up. That's cool, that's cool. So anybody who got stuck in that, it's not really a bad situation. Actually, I wouldn't say you were stuck at all, because I think pretty much any point today, even when it pulled back, still up, looking good. Here, let me see if I can get caught up on headlines. Alright, let's see. And good morning. What is your projection on Apple? Let's see. I feel like I looked at Apple and it looked like it was entering a supply zone, but don't quote me on that. Oh yeah. Let's see. What's this, a 4 hour? So if this is a supply zone on Apple, I would like to see it take the liquidity up here at like 241. That would be like all right, let me get on that kind of and take a short. Here, I'm gonna add a notification, and I'm gonna say take short on Apple. Cause sometimes I see these notifications and it's just like, oh, it crossed the line. But whenever I see it's telling me to do something, I'm like, oh yeah, let me do that, and let me go and do that. So it's always good when I leave those. I think I did one of those for AMD the other day. This AMD played out, ran to the high. I think it was almost like 200% this morning on that AMD. So not mad at it. All right, let me start trying to snack on this food. Sometimes after you just like run, you're not really that hungry. All right. So we gotta wait another candle on SPY, see what's up. I feel like I'd actually like to see it push higher first. As of right now, I'm gonna be real. I'm not sure there are any more trades I'd like to take today at the moment. Hey, top of the morning, Levi. Let me see something. What's the word on bullish? Goes live today. Actually, I think I might be down to like see what's up with bullish today. That might be the thing, because I'm not thinking there are going to be like any trades today or anymore, because it looks like things need to be set up. So we'll sit here, see what's up. If y'all got anything y'all want to look at, we can definitely do that too. Did we already take a place of trade today? So I took profit on the AMD from, did I get in yesterday or did I get in Monday? I think I got in on Monday. And then the SPY put that I bought yesterday, I closed out right at open. But right now, nothing really seems ready. So it's like if something gets ready, I'll take a trade, but I don't see anything that looks like it's about to be ready. So that's what I'm saying right now. Hey, what's happening? Robert, like stocks are moving. Bullish is looks like it's getting ready to come on the scene. Excuse my ASMR. Took profit on. Hey, good stuff, Robert. I think I did around the same. I don't remember. Let's see. like it used to be easier to look at my history. I took like 220. Oh, it was a 206% return. $223 profit on that AMD. Would you please look at WGS? Yeah, we can take a look. Let's see. Right now, it looks kind of vertical. I don't really know what it has momentum. It looked kind of over. Oh. Looking at it. It's already, so it's overbought right now on the 4 hour. But now that I see that it's up here next to this 122.43 area, this old liquidity, what I would do is target that. Maybe get some time and look for maybe 103. I would probably try to target 103, but might be able to get like 91 or so too. And I'd probably get a couple weeks time on it. So I'd be on the lookout. I'd set an alert at that level, and that's how I would trade it. Yo, I listed a bunch of stuff on Facebook Marketplace yesterday. So I'm trying to sell all this stuff. Do I have room for more stuff? So I'm getting like 1,000 messages right now. Alright, so we kind of made this high up here, but I wouldn't call it liquidity. But we did set a high. What are we looking like on the 1 hour? Oh, wrong chart. Oh, we're still just pulling back on the 1 hour. Oh, we're at the 13 EMA on the 1 hour. Very welcome, Buddha Deb. Water went down the wrong way. Was it good? Hey, we were talking about that croissant I have one more. But the water smacks too. Vanilla Hey, top of the morning. Appreciate you smashing the like button. Appreciate that. Wonder what time Bullish is going live. Are we bullish on Bullish? Let's see how we're doing today. Can you turn your microphone up, please? There's actually. So I don't think I can. My microphone's actually like turned up as much as it can. Otherwise, or to the point where like if it gets any higher, it's going to lose quality. Are you able to turn up the sound on your computer? Oh, you said your volume's to the max. Oh, that sounds. I can get close to the microphone. I try not to be too close because I know y'all can hear me like swallow, chew, all that stuff. So I really don't really know what to say. Yeah, it's turned up all the way though. Gulping, yeah, all that stuff. Oh, there goes the gulp for you. Yeah, unfortunately. Unfortunately. Honestly, it'd be kind of hard for me to like listen to like the gulping, the swallowing, and all that stuff. The crunching, I don't know. That might be a little satisfying. I don't know, but the like kind of like mouth sounds and stuff. I'm like, yo, that's kind of nasty. Alone, top of the morning. Yeah, I mean, yeah. We all human? Are we? Hey, there we go, Justin. Hey, we don't know. You said it's my signature. Oh, I didn't want that to. Okay, it's not a signature I chose, but hey, I guess it is what it is. We'll just. Hey, it's just Hey, it's one of those things. Hey, very welcome, Deborah, Joey V, top of the morning. All right, I got one more croissant to torture y'all through. So no problem on this end with learning. I hear you loud and clear. In fact, I have to turn my volume down. Okay, good feedback. Good feedback. You said what's the spy grab for today? It's not really set up for me, but I feel like there may be a call from this area, but the probability is not high enough for me to just take it. But this seems like a good area for a call on the spy. But it could also pull back as well. You said what happened with the put from yesterday? So honestly, it could still be a hold. My thoughts on it though was what I was looking for originally was for it to like still remain in contact with this right here. This I guess maybe it was actually it was this level over here, this 641.47. Then it kind of this candle pushed above, and then this one looked like, oh, it could have possibly came around, and it didn't. So pretty much right at open, I closed out of it. So going back to it right now, here, let me. Going back to that SPY call, it's actually, or SPY put, it's actually trading for more than it was whenever I closed it. I closed it out at 56 cents per share. It's trading at 53 or 63 per share. But I closed it out because when I got in, like what I said, like where I said I would close it, it opened above that, and I was like, I don't want to like worry or think about it. I'd rather have that 56 for when I'm a little more certain. So that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm waiting for me to feel a little bit stronger about something. D-Scurv, top of the morning. I didn't think you'd be here today. Is this like pre-travel, post-travel? What's the situation? Very welcome, Anella. Oh, I got a delivery. My wife refilled my water. Shout out to the wife. Over the Gulf, almost Cancun. Are you in the sky right now? Are you skying it up, D-Scurv? That's kind of wild. My boy got in-flight Wi-Fi, doing it big. Late joining. ED Silver, top of the morning. Left Houston about an hour ago. Hey, that boy D-Scurv in the sky. Okay. D-Scurv first class with that Wi-Fi. Alright, so AMD's still going. I feel like it'll slow down though. It might like try to like go to that high again, slow down, but looks like we got a new range on AMD. Luke, top of the morning. Liking, never lurking from friendly skies. Hey, you're probably going to put in views from most countries today. Can Intel touch 26 by end of the year? I'm going to say yes, it can. All it takes is a catalyst. I mean, I think this is like the broader range. This, I guess kind of like $19 area up to like 26 or so. So I would say it's very possible. All it takes is some news. But the next stop for Intel is probably going to be like the 2350 kind of area. Alright, let me come back down to a lower time frame on the SPY. Really coming down in the volume. let's pull up Nvidia. This thing has not moved. We got a large move on Nvidia coming. I don't know which way, but it's coming. Wait, hold up. They got liquidity up here. So say Nvidia comes up, sweeps this liquidity, and they're still in this bearish range. I think they're coming down hard. Here, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna the same way I just put an alert on I don't even remember what stock it was. I'm about to put an alert on Nvidia, and I'm gonna say buy put here, or buy put on Nvidia. Maybe get a couple weeks time on it. Let's see. Actually, I'm not sure. No, that's not the same situation because the RSI is kind of chilling right now. What does it look like on the weekly? Oh, it's a different story on the weekly. No, I'm gonna leave that alone. It kind of looks like they're starting to come down. Hold up. Nah, I wouldn't say all that. Yeah, I know Trump had a meeting with them a couple days ago, but I don't think that alone would be enough to do it. I think there would need to be continued like kind of words and hype around it for that to bring Intel up. I feel like SPY will go down to 642, maybe lower. It's possible, but here, let's see some things. They may just try to let it sit for. I can see them just trying to like just trap people. So they may just kind of leave it sideways. Like if we look at SPY yesterday, if I didn't get as much time on the SPY yesterday, I would have got burned. It's like it's good when you have volume and you have like a broader range, but the SPY may have showed all his cards this morning. I went to HEB, so there wasn't really too much. I don't know. I probably would have had like an extra like $80 of profit on AMD if I wasn't at HEB, but I was like, yo, profit is profit. Let me cut out, do my thing. See profit, take profit. Fubo call looking a little better. How much time did you have on that? I see Fubo at 380. Oh, you're chilling. You're chilling. I have a hard time putting a timeline on like that. Here, let's look at Tesla on a weekly. Like, I have a hard time slapping a timeline on it like that. I could see them like trying to retest the line again, but no, I would struggle to say that. Because they kind of do this thing where they consolidate in a range. So it's like I like to swing trade, but It's like there's too much volatility right now. I found that it's like there will be a point in time when you can just kind of take things and ride them again. But I just see like how much I lose by not like the next day I can taking profit. Let's see. Oh, okay, you got the November 20th. Okay, cool. BVAI. I think I was looking at that this morning. Let me see. I think I saw like a area where they could I was like, oh yeah, this would be I think they like created some liquidity to potentially sell off more. Let's see. Let me go back up to a 4 hour. Yeah, I was thinking they could pull back up to that like 608, and then from there I think they can move down again. Update on QQQ, please. So it's in the same boat as SPY pretty much. Like pretty much. I mean, it's like from here. Let me go to the 4 hour. I want to say like from their pre-market support and resistance, they're below. It looks like they're below their support. They're crossed to the downside. So it's like if you can get some complete candles below here and maybe some volume, they might sell off. But as of right now, they're kind of just chilling. So I would be on the lookout for increased volume, but as of right now, it looks like the Qs could be getting ready to come down. Meta just selling on down right now. Be right back. Hood is down. Oh, there it is. Ooh, hold up. Hold up. Oh, I need it to go a long way. I think, let me see if I still have it. I don't think I did anything to it. Oh, I have a $90 hood put expiring this Friday. That's kind of a ways to go. But if Robinhood wants to come and break this trend line, hey, I might try to go in again. That's something to pay attention to, potentially. Yeah, you could also potentially have upside. There is a demand zone here, but we kind of sold off from pretty high. I don't know. We'll see. Mm. Yeah, so this is a chill kind of day, chill kind of morning. Here, let me go to a 5. Looking like volume's still like really low, but it kind of looking like we're selling a little more. Good morning. What do you think about? Right now, Nvidia. I don't think anything on Nvidia. I'm very uncertain on. Is still very much in this range, and the RSI is in the middle. So no matter what direction you take on Nvidia, in my eyes, at the moment it's a gamble. It's like you can try to go for an earnings run up, like that could like you could see an increase in premium, but if Nvidia moves down considerably before earnings or up considerably, then you could end up being down. So it's like it's a gamble in my eyes. It's not a trade I would take. It's like Nvidia is just consolidating in a range at the moment. Nvidia does look like it's going to make a big move, but I don't know. And then also, it's like we can see Nvidia's move's going to likely be large. So, if you have the funds, maybe you can play both ways, and it's like the move will outpace another. So, like right now, if we're looking at Nvidia, we can see it kind of keeps ranging between this like 179 and 184 area. So, if you're going to grab both positions for that date, maybe right here would be closer, like a better time to buy the call. And then like when you get up here, like if you're going to grab a put for the same date, that'd be a better time to buy it. So it's like that's something to consider as well. But I would say if you're just playing one way, is a complete gamble. What do you think about 10 cent? This thing can be part of the Mag 7. Can 10 cent? So I don't think it'll be part of the Mag 7 because the Mag 7 is it's not like an actual group. It's just a specific seven stocks that get kind of the most attention, most volume, and like the largest companies. So I don't think it'll be a part of the Mag 7. It's like if it becomes a part of that group, they'll have another name for it. It might be like Elite 8 or something. Like it used to be Fang, and it used to just be 5 stocks, but now it's 7. So it's like maybe it's possible, but I'm gonna be real. Like it's not one I hear about to the extent that I hear about the stocks in the Mag 7. So it's not on my radar like that, but it's possible. I'm in a SPY 645 put, expires tomorrow. Thinking of holding. If you see it start going against you, or if you see it slowing down, my thoughts would be like, oh, come out with some kind of profit. That's my only thought. Oh, you said expiring tomorrow. Yeah, no real thoughts. It's like the volume's very low. I'll just say maybe like try to ride an EMA down. Like as long as we don't get confirmation above, it's like I would say still fine in my eyes. But just like make your plan and kind of stick to it. Here, let's see. There we go. Now I can do that. Ride EMA with that's what I would do, but it ultimately comes down to you. It's something I would encourage you to like start looking at and like trying even on your practice trades. It's like, oh, what would have happened in this situation? But yeah, it's like sometimes I do 5, sometimes I do 15. If it's like really moving, I might do 1 or 2. Really just kind of depends on how much time I have. But I think right now I'm in a season where it's like if I have to ask, oh, like where should I take profits? I'm pretty much at a point where I'm like, oh, let me just take profit on it because it's enough. It's enough to get me to the next move. Any forward progress is gonna help set me up for the next move. So it's like usually when I have to ask, oh, when should I take profit? It's probably like it's now. Yeah, we're really just down here consolidating. They trying to get us 2 days in a row. Come on, bullish. We think hey, maybe they'll go live in like 30 minutes or so. What's the story with bullish? Still consolidating. You ever think if OG Sony moved to AI, it will go to the moon, especially on. What do you mean OG Sony? What do you mean by that? Like what would a move to AI even look like? AI cameras, that's almost insane right there. I don't even know what that looked like. I definitely know I use Canon though for my cameras. Lower RSI means the volume is so the RSI on this if we're looking at this here, let me clarify something. So on my chart, you see there is a line and then there is also these bars. So the bars are the volume. Those have nothing to do with the RSI. So if you see those bars going down, like the red and green bars, that's going to be for the volume. But this line, which is the RSI, if that's going down, that just means the price is going down, or that just means there is more selling pressure, more selling than buying going on. So that's what the RSI being low means. But yeah, if you see those volume bars going down or getting lower, that's the volume going down. You said you rewatched one of my. Okay, cool, cool. Yeah, but right now those bars they're like really low. So yeah, there's not really much volume at the moment. I will say we can see like these bars were tapering down on the SPY up here. This green is going up. So hey, maybe we get a turnaround. Not really sure yet. Yeah, this could be the start of a little pullback to the upside. I don't know. Yeah, we're just chilling right now. My energy feels very low at the moment. Hey, PayPal's having a good day. What's up with PayPal? Peter Thiel, backstock, sword. What keeps Visa at the forefront? What keeps... Yeah, I don't know why. Don't know why it's popping. But it's a good day for hey, PayPal. We actually got like a double bottom going on over here. Might push up somewhere. Double bottom on Palantir on the 15-minute. Where is Palantir? Palantir also, I would say it's a little different though, because they got like a downtrend on the day, and they're still like, going, I would say. It's like you got it potentially. If it does like come down and like finds volume at this like 184 level, then we got it, and yo, that'll be a nice run. But that's not one I'm just ready to hop on yet. Yeah, it's trying to come down though. Trying to come down. That might. Hey, we'll see what happens with Palantir. My mouse. Oh, there we go. right, yeah. Palantir coming down. Low volume. Might be able to go for it. Oh, let's look at it on a 4-hour real quick. It's still below this. I don't know. Here, let's see something on Palantir. Nah, I'm gonna leave it alone. Wait. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it alone for now. Is it a good time to take a call on him? The downtrend still seems pretty strong. I mean, yeah, this is an area you could, where one would take that chance. Yeah, it's oversold. It's at an area of support. I would just make sure to have kind of an area to cut out if things go wrong. And then if it goes wrong, you can try this $41 area again. Then if that goes wrong, there's some areas past that too. Yeah, but that looks like it could be a good one to potentially look out for too. I think I'll. I would say you gotta watch for volume on that one, but honestly, that level does look decent. Yeah, Palantir and Hymns. You said 182 seems to be the support to break to continue down for Palantir. How do you get RSI and volume in the same? So to do that, so there's this little section over here. Here, let me see. So in the top right, like if I want to move volume up, I think I can click on these 3 dots and where is it? It says move to, and then I can move to existing pane above. Now it's up here. If I click on the volume kind of title, click on the 3 dots, and then right click, or I guess just click on them. I can click move to and then existing pane below. And now it's down there. So yeah, I actually just found out you could do that probably like a few weeks ago. But yeah, I'm like, yeah, I would much rather have that out of the way there. So do you think Uber can reclaim 92 by next week? Yeah, it's possible. Will it? I don't know, but yeah, it's possible. BMNR, I got this from your watch list. I like them. Yeah, I just got big. I got them on there because they got a lot of hype right now. So that's kind of what's going on there. Hold on, let's look at something. Are the commercials normal during your stream? Yes. So they're normal if you don't have YouTube, if you don't have YouTube Premium, or if the likes aren't high enough, they just like I turn them off, but only when the likes are like kind of close to where the viewers are. It's like if we got too many lurkers on, I just leave them on. So right now we probably have about, I say we got at least like 24 lurkers on. If we can get the likes to match up the amount of people on, which I can see there are at least 73. Hey, I'll turn the automatic ads pop up, but or turn them off. But YouTube kind of just drops the commercials in. Honestly, I don't really make much off of them though. Hey, like the stream, y'all. But one thing I will say, even if I turn them off, if you leave and come back, YouTube is still going to slap you with one. Just because even if I turn them off, that just means I don't get it. But they can still throw ads on whatever they want to throw them out on. Oh yeah, if we get 8 more likes, we're free, family. Hold up, no data. Hey, the stream might end here in a moment. It's saying no data. This stream will end shortly. Fubo looking solid to the upside. Okay, cool. Got connection now. I have YouTube Premium now. It's awesome. The girlfriend's parents added me to all their streaming platforms. I think she's the one. Hey, nice. Yeah, if you get the family YouTube Premium, it's a really good deal. It's like 6 accounts for if you purchase it on like a computer and not like on not in the not through an Apple device or the Play Store or anything like that. Oh, I think I play like 20 or 20. I think it's like 22 with taxes, so I think it's like 24 or something overall, but that's me, my parents, my 2 brothers, my wife. You said it feels weird not having commercials. Yeah, so yeah, you don't have commercials. You have different like the ability to adjust different speeds and pacing. Like I think you could already do that, but it's like you can adjust the speeds even more with YouTube Premium. And then like also you have YouTube Music, so I don't have Apple Music or Spotify or anything. I just have YouTube Music. And oh, it's nice. Yeah, I paid 20 per month. Not per year. That would be amazing, but per month. Yeah, so it'd be like yeah, YouTube Music it's like an app. It's just another app. It's Oh, I thought the movies I thought you got movies on YouTube for free anyway. You just have to watch the ads. It's like now I thought you just got them without the ads, but yeah, there are movies on YouTube. I didn't know that was just a premium thing, but I guess I've had it for a few years. Oh, hey family, we're like 4 likes away. We can get those ads pulled away with 4. What are your top 5 favorite stocks in your long-term portfolio? Right now on the daily, I am adding into AMD and Adobe right now. You got Google as well. And then the ones that are just there, let's see. I gotta look. Oh, I like Estee Lauder. What else we got? So Adobe, AMD, Estee Lauder. I got Honest in there. I feel like that one's just gonna pop just randomly at some point. And then another one, SoFi. Yeah, that's kind of it right there. You get more movies, new movies. Hey, that's cool. That's cool. All right, so we're pulling back. Okay, SPY is back at this kind of like this level of support from this morning. So here, let's go to a 15. I'm gonna just kind of watch. I'm gonna watch on the 5 and see if we catch any like volume or anything here. Yeah, so we're selling off a little more on here. Let's go down to a 15 on HIMS. Palantir put in a lower low. But yeah, we're selling off right now. I might be down to go for a call. Or I might be down to go both ways. But I might go for tomorrow. Let's see. Nah, I'm just being early. Hold up. Let me zoom out a little bit. The chart's kind of ugly. Let's 4 hour. Here, let me slide this here. I like this a little more, but here, let's go to a 1 hour. That's not really liquidity though. 1 hour, 30-minute. I don't really see like solid liquidity. That's just me. Nah, I'm not gonna pull any triggers. It's just a bunch of consolidation. I want to. It looks like there's some excitement there, but it's not quality. What was the last one you said would pop? Honest is I said that'll pop, but it's gonna be random. Like it's gonna be like really random when it pops. So it's like that one. It's just kind of doing this thing. I might actually, if I make some more money, I'll purchase more of that at these levels because I think it's below my average now. You said they're BSing with bullish. I feel like I mean, it's normal when they IPO for things for them to take their time and it to come out later. Could you explain what is a true liquidity? I want to see a wick like this. Like I want to see a long wick. If I don't see a long wick, then it's just a change in direction. Like over here, it's like this is kind of where the low was, but there's not a wick there. It's just a change in direction. Like these are tiny wicks. I want to see a longer wick. That's all. When I said true liquidity, that's all I meant. I want to see something that looks like this. Plus contracts aren't even paying. IWM on a slow climb. Yeah, that's cause what is it? They said something about like cutting 50 points next month, so it's like this is going to be the winner if we start getting all these rate cuts. IWM is going to run. So while we have the speculation, yo, IWM is on the move. Let me check in on this. Let me check in on the IWM over here. I think it's actually. Let's see. Where are we at? Are we in the green on it now? Barely. But yeah, that's cool. Yeah, smaller cats about to blast. Yeah, let's send them to blast off. Blast off. Let's go. Small cops. Oh, hold up. All right, family. I see we did it. Let's get those ads turned off. I mean, if you leave the stream and come back, there will be ads. But yeah, it's not just gonna be throwing random ads at y'all. So that's a win right there. What are the best time frames you trust, 1 or 4? I trust both of those time frames. Yeah, both of those are good time frames. They're just each time frame just has its own situation or it has its own benefits. Yeah, blast off. Yeah. All right, it's almost noon here in Texas. Almost noon. Very welcome, Kong. There we go. Osama, good morning. Oh, wait, hold up. It looks like Trump's changing names again. Trump named Straight, Stallone, and Kiss. Oh, wait, never mind. Okay. Wait, okay. On Wednesday, President Donald Trump named George Strait, Sylvester Stallone, Gloria Gaynor, Kiss, and Michael Crawford. This year, Trump, president and chairman of the Kennedy City Center, dismissed the board of trustees and replaced them with loyalists. Amid his overhaul, Trump outlined programming changes and renovations, saying work was underway to restore the Kennedy Center for their performing arts to the top level of luxury, glamour, and entertainment. Okay. No, there's nothing going on right now. There is, yeah, I'm not in anything right now. I'm kind of just seeing if opportunity occurs, but no. I like NVTS and NG both under 12. I have NVTS in my portfolio too. Well, I got like two shares. All right. I don't know. Looks like we might have some buying pressure here. It's not nothing that's going to make me buy in, but actually, let's go to 15. 30. Yeah, we might have some buying pressure here, but I'm not going to do anything with it. Looking like Nvidia about to drop. EMAs are crossing. Let's see. Let us look at Nvidia. It's been crossed on the. I think it's crossed on everything down from the 30. On the 1 minute, it's crossing. It's about to cross up, but everything from the 30 down is crossed. 1 hour down. 4 hour. Not quite, but yeah, on the 1 hour and down. Yep. Bullish is live now. Oh, I see volume. Here, let's go to like a 1 minute chart. Okay, it's live at 102. Should I get a share? Should we see what happens with bullish? Do we think bullish is going to be bullish? Oh, they've already halted it. But yeah, should I go for it? Should I get a share? Or should we just let it go? What kind of volume do we have? Oh, it doesn't like show the number. Bullish is this share right here. It's this or is this stock down here in the bottom right? Looks like the low is $90. Yeah, it's new. You said I wasn't on bullish. Yeah, we'll just watch it, see what happens. All right, SPY pushing up a little bit. Q's pushing up a little bit. Let's go back to the 5. See what the volume's looking like. Oh yeah, we got the volume on the SPY, so hey, maybe let's see. Hey, there is oh, that's a 2-minute. Okay, hold on, let's go to 5. Let's look at the SPY. You got in bullish at 37. Oh, that's nice. Did you get like did you get the offering, like the IPO? So I might see if SPY can like come retest this, or I might see if SPY can retest this low. Like if SPY can, I don't do anything over here. And I might get a call to swing into tomorrow. But other than that, I'm gonna leave it alone. Yeah, same. Robinhood offers it to all its customers. Managed to get 6. Did got 1 share. So usually whatever brokerage you use, they'll usually, like Robinhood for instance has talked about it. They'll if you pay attention to the notifications and stuff, they'll say, "Oh, this is IPOing." I think I've seen it a few times over the past week or so. So usually if you pay attention to your like brokerages, they'll give you opportunities to get IPO shares. I think the last IPO I took part of was what is it called? It might be, I think it might be on my watch list. Let's see. Like it didn't do too well IPO, but it ended up doing well. Like it's what definitely in a good place now. What is the stock? I don't think it's not on my list. But it's a solid stock. Okay, so bullish is trading again. Now it's trading at 114. Moving on up, moving on up. Oh, I think it was ARM. ARM was the last IPO I had. All right, we got the SPY coming back down. All right, might go for a call. Let's see. Let's see. So I closed the put right at open. So I closed out at 56 per share. I forgot what I bought in at. I think I bought it like 120 something. So I think I lost over 50% on it. Reddit, I did not. Reddit would have been a good one. I got it last week during the offering. Tried to buy again today. Wouldn't accept my bid. Hey, be like that. All right, I see we got a few lurkers on stream. Got a few lurkers. It's kind of scary. Closed it out yesterday. Yeah, I didn't want to use my day trade on it. I think the L I took on it, I was like, if this goes crazy, I was like, AMD is going to. I'm like, if this goes crazy, like if SPY goes up, AMD is going to outpace, and that's kind of what happened. So it's like I think I made like 220 something on AMD, and I lost like 50 or maybe 60 something on it. So it's like I'm net positive regardless. All right, so we're approaching. I would say this isn't necessarily the best setup, but it has potential, I guess. Let me look at these. I was able to get a couple of shares of bullets 30 minutes ago. 30 minutes ago at 30 a share. Oh, that's nice. Dang, good stuff. Got flagged today, and I have options closing tomorrow. I'm new to this. What do I do? If the options are closing tomorrow, like if you purchase them today, then you can't do anything. But if you purchase them like yesterday, you can sell out of them whenever you want. Otherwise, you have to wait till tomorrow to like close out of them. But I would highly recommend watching all the videos in that pinned comment, so that you get a grasp and understand all the rules of trading, like trading options or trading. Because if your account's below a certain amount, you can't make more than 3 day trades in a 5-day period. Or you can switch to a cash account. That's an option as well. You said, will I still be able to profit without buying power? You don't need buying power to take profit. You just need, like, if you're in a position, it just needs to be worth something. So for instance, like if you go to a position you're on, like this one, it says the total return is $24 or $32 and it's up 24%. If I have $165 in this and I paid $133, I can sell this and I profit from that. But I don't need to have any additional buying power in order to sell that. All right, bullish coming down around 96, 97. AMD trying to go up. I was down, but now I'm up. All right, let's see what the SPY is gonna do. What are you gonna do, SPY? Will they automatically sell it or exercise it if it's worth something? But typically you want to do so beforehand. I would, once again, I would check out the pinned comment. Do I listen to Forrest Frank? Yeah. I just saw something yesterday. Forrest Frank had, like, last month on YouTube Premium, Forrest Frank had more streams than Drake. Hey, Forrest Frank's getting up there, but I've been listening to Forrest Frank for maybe, like, at least a solid year. At least. But nah, yeah, I was like good. Like, that's good to see. Like, I think he's made it more mainstream. Cause on the Cool, it used to be hard to find like good music, but then it's like, oh, I'm seeing him doing collabs with people, and I'm like, yo, I'm like, oh, okay. I'm like, oh, they got some stuff too. But before him, I'm like, yo, it's kind of hard to find stuff. But no, now I'm like finding stuff every day. I'm like, yo, hey, good stuff. Oh, what is, oh. I'm sorry y'all can hear that. Probably just switch to a cash account. Thanks though. I appreciate that, Michael. Plan on going down the rabbit hole soon. Hey, you're very welcome, Michael. Yeah, definitely got to go down that hole though. There's a whole world down there. All right. Okay. So we've crossed the little arrow. Let me go back to the options because my wife shot me a text and I like pulled away. Let's see. Do we have buyers there? Oh, well, actually, no. The low is actually. Oh, let me flatten that out. Low is actually over here. We actually haven't swept that yet. There we go. So I haven't quite pulled back yet. BMNR, what do you think about the chart? I will get to that after whatever. What do you mean, what do I think about it? I can, without even looking at you, I can say it looks bullish. I can tell you that. For sure. It's showing it's overbought, but it's in a strong uptrend. And it's that resistance. There's like a resistance here. All right, SPY found a little volume there. Yeah, I got bullish pulled up. Hey, it's bullish is at 86 now. Bullish not looking so bullish from when it opened, but we'll see what happens. All right, SPY trying to. Do we have volume on the SPY now? Yeah, SPY is pushing up. That's a strong candle right there. I think the contract I was looking at, honestly, it hasn't going on too much. Hold on, y'all. 1 second. 1 second. All right, let's see. Hey, what's up, M-Cent? 76. Y'all know what's bacon? How'd your spy? So I closed out a spy put like right at open today, but I closed out of the AMD call as well, so that ended up being a good overall net positive. Oh yeah, no need to panic. No need to panic. It's all good. Hey Ramiro, what's up? Yeah, decent trading day. All right, so SPY trying to pop. It came really close. Hey, that might be that might be it. It might run from here. That contract I was looking at. Volume's still kind of. Oh, we still got 4 minutes on this candle though. Let's see. I'm gonna leave it alone for now. Cause it never came to sweep. I'm kind of new to this, but why can't you trade options on bullet? So usually it'll probably be like a week or so till options actually get in there. Yeah, there usually aren't options like the first few days or first week or so. That's just how they do it. Because if you could trade options on IPOs, bro, people would make an absolute killing. All right, so let's see how we close out here. Oh, that's very annoying. It came like really close. I almost got in on that too. That's a good run. Yeah, it's almost ran like $1. I was about to take that too. Hey, that was it right there. Made a few bucks on Tilray. Broke even on TQQ. Got enough capital for it. So honestly today, the SPY was what I was looking at. Honestly, I wasn't going to take anything after. Like it looked like nothing high quality is set up. I'm just trying to trade good quality setups. I like the momentum I have. That's like we've gone to the account was like at 200. Now it's at like 7. It's at like 720, and that's with me like taking out and throwing money in my Roth. So I'm just trying to keep the momentum with the good trades. I still feel like that SPY trade I took yesterday was like it was within reason. Just took profit on bullish 1600. Hey, good stuff. Oh, you had like the well, yeah, I feel like anybody that's probably what's going on right here. It's like you had everyone get in for like $37 and it's like, oh, it's selling off. So now we got crazy selling pressure. About to fly over El Salvador. Outside the plane just to hit the right. Just to the right, hit the like button. Oh, that's crazy. Flying over El Salvador. Hey family, be sure to smash the like button so we don't have anything to do with El Salvador. Hey, we are not trying to go back. All right, we got AMD back above that level. We're looking like on a 15. Volume's still pretty low. We might come back down here. We're still here. Let me see something. Low-key, I'm looking at that put that I had. It might still be. Here, let me look at this. We have the range. The range goes down to okay. What's the delta on that? I think the delta was looking a little better yesterday. Oh, it's almost back to the price I bought it at. Let me go back to the 15. Or almost to the price I sold out at. Nah, I feel like I'm trying too hard right now. The trend is up, so I move up. Yo, we still got 11 lurkers. All right, let's see. Liked it number 2. Hey, appreciate you. Had a partial fill, 24 out of 150. Wish it all filled. Oh yeah, that would have been money. No C-Cot for me. Yeah, we're not trying to make moves to C-Cot. That's no fun. You think bullish is going to bounce back up? That's not anything that I should even try to entertain because I mean bullish IPO'd at 37, so bullish is up a considerable amount. So no, bullish is just it's just something I'm watching just to kind of observe and like learn for the future. I have no idea. You said 85 support. Oh, if y'all are trying to trade bullish, I have nothing for y'all. Like nothing for y'all. I can't tell y'all anything. Yeah, forced trades are the worst trades for sure. Yeah, there's no history on bullish, so I'm not going to tell y'all anything about bullish because I like that's not even how I work. I don't work on like I look at the history of things to be able to kind of potentially forecast, but nah, I don't think it's responsible to even entertain that, honestly. If you're playing with bullish, it's a gamble. That's all I'm gonna say. And it's like I was talking about bullish, and I'm like, yo, I was like, should I throw 104 at it? But yo, it's 100% a gamble. Like if we look at it, we just got to a point where the 13 EMA started showing, and this is the 1 minute. These are 1 minute candles on bullish, so we just just had like our first 13 candles or so. Let me take a look at TTD though. Where'd they go? I just want to see the chart. I think where is it? Oh, let's go to a weekly. Oh, they still never came and swept this. That might be the money level. I don't know. Yeah, there's this area of liquidity that's like, oh, they came and wait, hold up. So there was, I don't know. I actually don't know. Wait, so they were at nah, yeah, forget that. I'll just keep an eye out. Man, that would have been a good call. I was so close. It didn't exactly sweep. But I would say that's the I probably would have taken profits on it by now though. But that would have been a good trade. Yeah, that's a good little move right there. Quick little dollar of movement. TTD, Twilio. Oh yeah, TTD, they definitely can be slow. Cause I think when they made this drop over here, I think I had tried to get some. Dang, they're actually looking at it. Where they just dropped from, they finally made it back to that area. Hold up. So actually, they dropped first size, second high. They might be going for a new low on the cool. What's their next buy zone? Let's see. Oh, it's kind of ugly. I don't know. Let me look at them on a monthly. Oh, it looks a little nicer on the monthly. Oh, okay. Shoot. Yeah, let them sell off. Get some time. Take a call at this area. Try to ride it to like 60 or something. Even though they'll probably come a little higher. Or maybe they might even be able to, that looks like, hey, there's some potential there whenever that actually occurs. Yeah, I'm trying to like build my money up to be able to plant some seeds. Nvidia driving SPY again. What's Nvidia doing? Let's see. Nah, Nvidia's not really doing much. I wouldn't say that's quite enough for them to be driving the SPY. Like, they have the same pattern, but if you look at the Qs, if you look at Palantir, if you look at AMD, they all have the same pattern as well. Okay, we got the SPY coming back around. Let's see. Yeah, we got a lot of volatility. Here, let me go to the 15 real quick. Yeah, let's see if we can actually hit that level. Actually, we still have a low volume. 81 likes. Oh, yo, we're 19 away from freedom. 19 away. Hey, I know we definitely got it in us, family. Let's see. Yeah, let's see if we can pull back and do a little sweepity sweep. Let's see that. You said we got it. Hey. Oh yeah, we're a few away. Let me come in. Let me contribute while we're just chilling here. YouTube definitely just hit me with an ad. Are we gonna come down? Are they gonna let us come down? Okay, yeah, it looks like, hey, we're trying. We're trying. Oh, okay. Hey, the family trying to work now. Family trying to work. Hey, we're getting closer. Yeah, 13 away. Hey, I'm not in anything that's going down at the moment. I'm not in anything at all. You're in the Discord, aren't you, MSense? It's like yo, it's all like anything I do, it will be posted in the Discord. So it's like yeah, I'm not in anything right now. Are you planning on buying a call? That's what I definitely would not do same day if I did anything for the SPY. I don't see the volume for it. Yeah, it would not be today. How do I get in the Discord? So there is a free capacity to it and there is a paid capacity. If you're trying to see the trades, it's going to be the first link. It's going to be the Patreon link, the first link in the description. And if you just want to hop in the Discord, I'll drop a link to the free section. 1 second, I'll drop it in the chat. That's the free section. You said probably need to use it more. Oh, you mean when you send it out, I get. Oh, okay. I know how you feel, Em, since I used to be the same. That's why I personally like every Discord I've ever been in, I have to go in and like turn off all the channels I don't care about. That's one of the annoying things about Discord. And it's like I would love to just have a way to like just message out everyone. Like if I could if I probably need to try more on Instagram, but if I can get my Instagram to like if I can get my Instagram to like, it's crazy, it's like 10,000. Like if it gets there, it's like I can just notify people through that. But it's like I want like a way I can just like notify people. Discord is more of a community, but it's also, Discord is a mess. Joining, hey, welcome, welcome, family. Just to give y'all kind of a heads up of where to look. So all this stuff is free. Where my trades are, it's going to be this patrons only section. Every morning I give like kind of support and resistance levels. And then whenever I post trades, they're going to be right here. So I post when I buy. So like right here, this is the SPY trade I took yesterday. I lost on, bought in at 126, sold out at 56, like right at market open. This one sold out at 331. Wait. And bought in at 108. So that's how it will work, for those of you wondering. All right, we still aren't quite pulling back to that level. Maybe you could, any kind of community thing is still a lot. I have another website that's pretty much the exact same thing as school as well. That I'm kind of like working on, but it's like when it comes to setting it up, it's an immense amount of work. It like really pulls away from what I'm doing. But yeah, it's like when it comes to the scams, I pretty much, it's like I'm not going to message you. It's also gotten to the point where I don't like direct message people through Discord anymore, just because it's like my name on Discord is literally my name, and then it says I will not DM or message you, and then people get messages from the same thing, and it's like they think for some reason I'm going to message them, and if I do message you, like, don't hesitate to ask for me actually talking, like ask for me to, like, if you ask for a video message, I will send you a video message. And like I know there's AI, but I don't think they got me on AI like that yet. So I haven't seen an AI that I can train to myself. It's like, it's crazy. Like I try to train like AI to my voice so I can make corrections for things. I've tried like probably like 3 or 4 different softwares. And it's like I always sound like Indian whenever I come out. Like I don't sound Indian when I talk, but like whenever I do the AI, I sound like Indian. I'm like, why do I have an Indian accent? That doesn't. So like, yo, if you can AI clone my voice, like, or want to try, good luck. What options are you in? I am not in any options at the moment. But Camden, I wouldn't necessarily say it's a good idea to just blindly copy somebody. Like, unless you're trying to cough up some money, I would it's probably best to maybe like see what the idea behind the trade is, look at the charts and whatnot. Cause it's like, I do lose money. I make money, but I lose money too. And it's like, if I just told you everything I was in, there are some trades I get in where I'm like, oh yeah, I'm cool with losing all this. There are other trades I'm like, yo, this must be protected. So it's like, you don't want to get in all the trades I'm in. Cause sometimes I'm like, yo, this is a dumb trade, but if it works out, I'm getting paid. So it really kind of just depends. And then also, like, when it comes to copying me, there are going to be some things I do that a lot of people don't know how to do. So, like, if you only have 3 day trades and your account's not above like 25K, it's like there's some little kind of tricky things I'll do that, like, a lot of people, they'll end up like getting themselves in trouble because, you know, it's hard to follow. So that's another thing. It's like, you always want to start with education and kind of know what's going on. There's also, whenever too many people start doing the same thing, the market maker will pick up on that. And they're like, oh yeah, it's like, we were going to let that happen, but now it's like, yo, we gotta, I definitely made some money on AMD this morning. Like, if you were here yesterday or Monday, like, I called it out, like, rode it all the way. I got in the trade Monday at like 1:30. And then I sold out up here this morning. Slide that over a little bit. Sold out like on this candle. Nvidia right now, they at the moment, Nvidia is not really doing too much. They're in a range, so I would say it's going to be a little tough with Nvidia. And bullish is like not moving anymore. All right, let's see if we come down. Who would have thought AMD would blow past Nvidia? This guy. We'll see how long it lasts. But I would think year in, like, dollar per share, AMD will be a lot more ahead. But short term, hey, Nvidia can do whatever they want. I think it is very risky, Camden. That's what I would say. Anything on Nvidia right now while it's just moving between this level, I want to say is risky. And then they don't even have earnings till the 27th, so I think that is to me that I would say that's a complete gamble. If you would like to give away money, I take donations. I'm not saying you can't make money on it, but it's like, without a plan, Here, I would highly recommend checking out the videos. Like, here, let me show y'all.
On the higher time frames.
So that y'all can like actually put a plan together. Cause it's like whenever y'all come in and ask me like, oh, what do you think about this? That's like, yo, that just sounds like a bucket full of risk. So pin comment. It's gonna bring you to this playlist. Oh wait, that's not what I meant to do. It's gonna bring you to this playlist right here. And this is gonna be the first video, but we got like first how to trade, how to swing trade. Then we get into options, but you need to understand these first two videos before we even start looking at options, or it's just not going to make sense. Like it's like you're just going to keep putting on crazy trades, and it's like some of them can work, but it's going to be wild. Like this first video, it's the longest one, but it's like essentials. First section, how to set up your charts. Then how to set up your tools for your charts. Then we got like good stocks to trade, how to actually read a candlestick, how to analyze a trend. Do we want to trade up? Do we want to trade down? Right now, Nvidia is trading sideways like this. So it's like you can make money both ways with that. Then you got how to trade trend lines. I was like, I just made like 200+%, all because I know how to draw trend lines. AMD broke a trend line and then kind of went up and went crazy. Then right here we got analyzing a trend on the live chart. And then right here, this is very important. Understanding risk versus reward. So this trade setup right here, it doesn't need to work every time. I can get this trade wrong 3 times and get it right once and still be like a little bit in profit. So there's something to understand. Like this video is very important. Like y'all need to watch this before y'all start trading. Then we got like where to place a stop loss, where to place a take profit. So right there, that's, oh, where to get in, where to get out. And it's like, after you get all that, it's like, oh, then it's like, okay, I know where I want to go. But it's like how to buy a stock, how to sell a stock, how to place a stop order. Then it takes you into the next video. But it's like all that stuff is going to be very important whenever it comes to trading, because it's like I get questions every day from people asking me like, I pay like thousands of dollars to learn the information in those like 8 videos that I'm giving away for free. And it's like, if you can't take the time to watch those, you're probably going to end up paying thousands of dollars if you decide to like keep going at trading. Like you're probably going to end up paying thousands of dollars regardless. Like it's like when I do my mentorships, it's not even necessarily because it's like, oh yeah, let me charge them. It's like, I feel like it's like you don't, a lot of people don't really take the value unless they're like paying for it, which is like crazy. It's like I have a friend that just like dropped like 6K on a course, and it's like homie's just scalping. He's scalping. It's like, I think he's making like 200 trades a day, but he's just scalping. Like sold his truck so he could get to like 25K and get his portfolio to 25K. But hey, now it's working for him because he like made that investment. So it's like, yo, whatever it takes for you to kind of do it, yo, do it. But I think it's nice whenever you're able to like, it's like, yo, this is a free resource. Take advantage of it. Definitely going to study that playlist. Hey, it's money. That's all I'm gonna say. It's like that's where I feel like questions should come from. It's like, oh, I didn't understand what you said here. But one thing I will also say is like, there are questions that people usually have along the way, and it's like they get answered in later videos. It's, what playlist was it called? Here. So once again, the playlist is going to be this link. Oh wait, hold up. Let me I'm gonna post it in the chat again. It's the pinned comment. Is that link the one I just posted in the chat? And then it's like I have some videos of like trade setups on my channel too. Oh, family, we're so close yet so far. We got we're 5 away from being free. Very welcome, Camden. Very, very welcome. Hold up. So let's see, we're 54% green today, 36% red. And a whole lot of consolidation. Here, let's see. Yeah, we're still consolidating. I don't think I'm making any moves today. Yeah, Lucky J, we're right here on edge. Let me check news. What's tomorrow? We got PPI at open. Mortgage delinquencies. Just curious, do you share trades? So the Discord, I share trades on the Patreon section of it. And he said, "Come on, people, we need." I see the need for 4 more, but let's see. So 3 more now, but so there's a free section to the Patreon, or a free section to the Discord, and then if you sign up through the Patreon, then yes, there is you see my trades. Like, I'll share screenshots when I take trades, and they'll all be here. All right, so the Qs is right here testing resistance again. But what's it gonna do? We still have like no volume. So ideally, this is still like a bad trade. I need your honest opinion on Tesla. I bought 30 shares for a long time ago. I need to dollar cost average down. Do you see? Yes. I see Tesla coming down more. Tesla is like, yeah, not only is there kind of like a channel on Tesla, so like if it were to come down like 312, but I still think it could break below that. Like, there's still liquidity at 274. I feel like I feel like we're not past the day when we see Tesla at like 240 either. That's kind of how I feel, but that's how I feel. I feel like I'm kind of tight in my shoulders. All right. I'm not sure if I missed your comment to my. I don't think I saw. Oh, I see your comment now. Hey, what's your take on XRP? Do you see what support is, and are you buying the hype? So no, I don't hold any of it. It's like if I had more money, yeah, but it's like while my capital is still like lower, I'm not going to be like super diversified. So it's like I uh I am more focused in my stock purchases and whatnot. Here, let's see. Hey, we're two away, two away. Let's see. So yeah, we can take a look at XRP real quick. It's like I think over the long term XRP will be like I think it's going to continue to go up. That's what I would say. This is like a set and forget in my eyes. I was like yeah, XRP is going up. I can definitely see it like pulling back. Like there being like a solid pullback one day on it, but XRP is going up in my eyes. Ooh. Ooh, one away. One away. All right, I'm not sure if anyone can say, but with that being said, family, um, that is going to do it for the stream. I hope each and every one of y'all has a blessed day. I appreciate each and every one of y'all stopping by. What was I going to say? What was that? What was I going to say? Oh yeah, I hope each and every one of y'all's trades go y'all's way. But yeah, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Camden. Peace out, D Scurr. Peace out, IQ So Real. Peace out, hey, me. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Jorman. Peace out, ED Silver. Peace out, peace out, D Scurr. Peace out, Brandon. Peace out, Mass 3DRC. Peace out, Levi. Peace out, Southern Magnolia. Peace out, Kong. Let me close that out. Peace out, Lucky J. Wait, yeah, we said bye to Lucky J. All right. Oh, hey, somebody just saved us last second too. But yeah, if I missed your name, it is not because I don't love you. It's just because it's time to go. Matthew Mayo signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Money with AI. Peace out, Holmes. Or Gerald. Y'all stay blessed. Peace out, family.